What do I mean by saying that the robot is the unfinished machine? It's not designed to do anything until you design the last part that is attached to the robot. There isn't a purpose to it.
When we were thinking how to integrate the residencies in the VOJEXT project, we were really thinking in how to make real that the artistic work could be part of the technological development, and how technology can enrich the artist as well as how the artist could enrich the technology as such.
The way I see the role of the artist in the industry is bringing a little bit more freedom in these disciplines. So I felt really free to be able to experiment with material, experiment with the way we usually worked and interact with robots, and that was really for me what I brought to the project.
It's important to learn from the past. However, I can also not ignore the now, like what tools are available for me to evolve my craft.
At the beginning I was very excited about technology, so I was glorifying more the technical aspects of the project, focusing more on the tools rather than the outcome. And now, as I'm evolving a bit, I'm looking more at the perception of the public rather than the process itself.
I already come from let's say a scenario where we study the humans and not only the robots. So for us it's important to consider what the human can bring into the loop, what the human can bring into the interaction with the robot.
We developed our own nesting algorithm that almost mimics the way a human thinks. And this is where the dialogue with the designer comes into play.
To me, it was very rewarding to see the acceptance of the project from the engineering community.
For me, this was like the beginning of a path towards a multidisciplinary approach.
Collaboration takes time and needs a rich discussion between disciplines, and I think it's really important to have projects which have a core practice-based.
And I think that something else has to come after this project, and I wish that something else comes. Something bigger where the artist expresses fully with freedom, but also where aspects such as engineering aspects can benefit from the point of view of the artist, in order to create something that is beneficial for the entire community.
We made a software that's open source, so that's one of the things that we are most proud of, let's say, out of the outcome, is beside all of the artistic development, is having this open source tool that we hope that other artists, designers, architects will take it and use it in their research further.
After seeing this exhibition, I think what is one of the most important parts of the exhibition as such is that it underlays the importance of artistic practice in everyday scientific development of robotics and computer science and etc., etc. It's not just that artists are some consumers that they just play with the technology, but it's important how their perspective is affecting the development of scientific approaches from the artistic point of view.
In my mind, or from the industrial perspective, this has been a new dimension, actually creating a value for companies and the industry as such.
Mixing people, mixing artists with scientists, inspiring.
What I wish for the future is like to support more such projects, because really the the results of these projects can be applied in the real world, which would be of a benefit for the whole society.